So now as we look at the next device, this is the managed device, the X677. And you'll notice it's also in a unique color as well. This is now in red. So we're showing off the different colors that are available. And you can see the gray next to it as well. There are some good materials available that we'll show you here in a little bit as well, where you can actually have some demo samples of the different colors for it. But right now, look at the device. The key thing about it is you're going to get good capabilities, but because it's a managed device, it will have a separate toner cartridges and separate drum cartridges, which does make it a little bit taller than you see the transactional device next to it, because now you need to have a space to be able to have not only paper trays, but also the spot for the drum cartridges, the toner cartridges for it. So it makes it a little bit taller, but it also gives you a significantly better cost per page. And again, with it being a managed device, it's some exclusivity only to our managed print specialists, our managed print partners, to be able to get access to it. As we look at the device and we kind of zoom in a little bit on the control on the document feeder, you have similar capabilities you've seen previously. In fact, this class of device, this the 6000 series, in this case managed, has the same inverse C feeding mechanism for it. So you have that same capacity and capabilities on the document feeder. And so we put original in there. It does pivot up and gives you that ability to have that very visible reminder you have documents in your output tray as far as for the document feeder. From a security standpoint, this is a great feature because it's a visual reminder that you have originals that are there. Don't walk off without it. I've been many times I walked up to your device and you find somebody forgot the originals there that might have been strategic or tactical documents that shouldn't be in public, exposed to the public. Same thing as far as on the transactional A4. If we lift up the top on it, we have the infinity glass. We have a dedicated scanning window for it, but designed again to be very simple, to be able to scan from the document feeder or from the glass. And they're moving images from the glass. There's no problems and no place to hang up on it. And then again, ease of use, designed to be simple, straightforward, and very, very functional. Additionally, you also have the ability, if you had, let's say, a bound document like a book here, the hinges do pivot up, and so it gives you the extra space to be able to get a good tight seal on it without damaging the spine of the book. The benefit to it is in like a book copy mode, clean copies, more importantly, no damage to the originals for it. And then you see kind of the soft close capabilities on the device, so it doesn't come slamming down. Now, similar to the transactional device we looked at before, as we pull back and we can look at the toner cartridges for it, you're going to have easy access as far as the toner cartridges and the drums. The difference, again, in the managed products in this particular case is that it has a separate toner cartridges from the separate drums. So as we look across here down the below, you have access into the toner cartridges. They have the cartridge access control, so it is actually locked until it needs to be replaced, and then access as far as the drums, easy to replace and easy to swap out. But the benefit truly of having it be locking is that toner doesn't walk away. You don't have excess toner that's wasted. Just like you see on our A3 devices, majority of our customers are enabling the cartridge access controls to be able to avoid having that toner be wasted or walk away someplace. The other key benefits we look at is just that simplicity and consistency as far as accessing the device and working with it. Then you have multiple trays available for it, and so you have your bypass tray. Tray number 1 is always, and then trays 2, 3, and 4. They give you various different options depending on the configuration you're dealing with here. They are adjustable out, again, letter, legal size, and then multiple paper types for it. Now, this is available, especially in the managed products, available in the config to order capabilities for it. It gives you the different colors, but also gives you the ability to have different input options. This particular one is configured with the finisher, which you can see on there. You'll notice the badge reader, the black square that's up there. This allows you to be able to authenticate to it and get access to it. But also then beneath it is the inner finisher. The benefit of the inner finisher is just you have a smaller footprint to be able to have finishing output capabilities for it, stapling and stacking capabilities for it. But it's a little bit smaller footprint. Now, key thing to remember is that it's at the time of manufacturing, and so you'd order the particular device that has the finisher for it. There's no way to add it afterwards. The actual physical chassis is different to be able to allow for that size and that capability for it. And then as far as jam clearance, same exact thing you saw on the transactional device, easy access on the right-hand side. And the same message as far as being able to have very quick, easy replacement of components for it. Less than 5 minutes, 5 minutes for each of the different components to be able to swap out things like a formatter, be able to swap out rollers and so forth. Easy access, and also in likely event you had a jam, very easy access to that as well. And that is the managed 6700, the X677. This particular one's configured